Hello, John Tanner here. Hope you're doing well. Wanted to talk to you this morning about questions that we ask. You know, we've heard this people say there's no such thing as a dumb question. Well, I'm not here to argue that. Questions, we have to ask questions in life. That's how we find things out. We don't know a lot of times just simply because we don't ask. And I'm not telling you there is a dumb question, but the difference in a good question and a bad question, a lot of times can be the difference in the right question and the wrong question. And just in life general, this will help you in sales, it'll help you in insurance, it'll help you in whatever field you're in, but this will help you in life in general. If you'll learn to not to ask why, but to ask how. And what do I mean by that? We spend a lot of our time in life asking the question, why? Why did this happen? Or why did this not happen? Or why is this always happening to me? Or why didn't that work out? Or why does it always go wrong? Or whatever. And what I would like to encourage you to do is quit asking why and start asking how. Now, if you think about this, you say, well, it's the same thing. Why and how? No, it's different. It's much different. And this is why. When we ask why, a lot of times we're not really asking. We're just making a statement. Well, I don't know why I always get into bad relationships, or I don't know why some people are successful, but I'm not. And I don't know why, or it don't make sense. But start asking how. Instead of asking, why am I not successful? Ask, how do I get successful? And instead of asking, why is this person successful? Ask, how is this person successful? It's similar, but it's very different if you really think about it. What do they do? How do they get there? How do they run their day? How do they operate this? Or if your marriage isn't in good, and where it needs to be, or other relationships aren't where they need to be, quit asking why, and say how. How do I fix this? How did it go wrong? How do I take the proper steps to realign and to get where I want to be? See, a lot of times when people ask why, they're not really concerned and trying to figure something out. They're just complaining. Why? It almost sounds like they're whining. Why, over and over. Ask how. How do I get there? How do I become successful? How do I implement a strategy that'll put me or propel me to that next level? How is always the better question than why. I don't understand why this, or I don't understand why this. I've heard people, especially religious people, they give the devil so much credit for this or that not working out, or the fact that they can't get ahead, or this doesn't work for that. They put and then while they're giving the devil credit, they're blaming God for everything that's wrong in their life. And they're saying, why? I don't understand why God don't help me. I don't understand why God don't bless me, or I don't understand why the devil keeps defeating me and all this. You got to get all of that mess out of your mind, stinking thinking, and quit asking that's the wrong questions. Because right now you got the devil up here and you got God way down here. Quit doing all that and ask what? What did I do? What did I not do? What do I need to do? Put it all on you. If you'll put it all on you, and like my partner says, if it's to be, it's up to me. Put it all on you. Take all full responsibility and quit asking why and start asking how. How do I fix this? How do I get myself in the right situations? How do I surround myself with the right people? How do I climb out of this hole if you're in a hole? How do I fix this relationship if your relationship's busted? And then let's get to sales, what we're here about. How do I fix this? How do I get this system implemented and working in my life? How do I quit asking why this person's successful and why I'm not, and start asking how is this person successful and how am I going to get there? Get the leads that you need every day. If you're writing half the amount of business that you want to write, you got to double those leads and you'll get there. Triple the leads, quadruple the leads, get more leads in your hand. Do what you got to do. Start asking how do you get there? Ask your manager how. Ask us how. We're going to tell you. You got to work the system. You got to implement the things that other successful people are doing. And we'll show you how every step of the way.